Hi, welcome to Project Karya. Project Karya proposes to divide massive digital tasks such as digitizing land records into micro work or small pockets of work and crowdsource this work to millions of people in rural India via their phones. We have two simple goals: making fair work accessible to as many people as possible and building the literacy and IT skills of our enrolled workers. We are especially interested in document digitization. Digitization of records is an important step in the journey towards digital governance and a paperless economy. This initiative has its own challenges: the diversity of records, the multitude of the languages, the varying record formats. The security of these records and ensuring their authenticity is extremely important. Given the magnitude of this task, we at Microsoft India are looking at a holistic solution for the same. Our approach involves the use of technology to assist in digitization of these documents, using capabilities like machine learning, optical recognition, natural language processing, as well as secure computing and auditing processes. Let's take a look at a sample case to elaborate our approach. Here's how it works in action. We start by dividing massive digital tasks into small tasks that can be accomplished by workers. This would involve manually scanning a land record into multiple partial scans. The file names for these scans are automatically generated, and each partial scan is then listed as a subtask in the overall task list. Step 2. These small tasks are distributed and allocated to workers via a smartphone app. Individuals go through a short video tutorial on how to complete the task. Using OCR or optical character recognition, these scans are then converted into electronic text or digitized. Once we are confirmed that the task has been completed, a digital version is automatically saved with the specific file name on the cloud with restricted access. Workers, meanwhile, learn new IT skills while working on these tasks and getting paid daily. Step 3. We compile the work and assure the quality and the task is accomplished. Appropriate files are automatically selected and their contents collated to create a single document that is the digitized version of the land record. The reconstructed digital land record is now stored in secure cloud-based storage with the scanned document linked for reference. The digital records are searchable, indexed, and referenced. The records can only be accessed by specific individuals, i.e., revenue officers, who are authenticated via Aadhaar plus OTP or biometric authentication. In the future, we propose an Aadhaar-based authentication to enable a crowdsourcing model such that individuals are assigned tasks and get paid directly. We have currently completed two very successful user studies in villages around Mumbai and Delhi. We also have a prototype of the app ready. Let's now look at the prototype. Hi, welcome to Project Karya. The app begins here, where you can simply write your username and create a new user profile. So let's go ahead and do that. Once I create a username, I can pick my avatar. Let's say I go with this. And here you go. You're now at the app home screen where you can look at all the available jobs, such as digitization. In digitization, we allow people to help the government of India in its mission to build a truly digital India by digitizing our land records. So as you can see, I have 3 jobs available. So I'm going to go click on learning and do some of these jobs. Here's my first job. What does the image below say? So it says digital, and all I have to do is put in the right one. This is a practice task, so the worker gets an understanding of what these tasks are going to look like. So here's the word digital. I chose the right option. There are other options, and I chose this one, and that was correct. Let's now move on to real tasks. Here's my first real task. Type this text below, Aruna. So I can go right here, go type Ru. And that was correct. Let's go ahead and look at another one. I'm going to get this one wrong to show you what happens when I get it wrong. And let's say I just do this. And I say that. And it says wrong answer. And this is what the right answer looked like. And now we're done. Let's say it says Lebhari, which is Marathi for good job. And no jobs due. Time for a break. Go back. And let's now create a new user profile. A lot of our users told us that they share the same smartphone with other people. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the profile and create a new user. And let's say this user is Manav. Here, I can pick an avatar. And Manav now can also have a look at these tasks right here. So Manav can do some of these tasks as well. And basically we can go back and these are all the users using the app. So you can theoretically have tens of users using the same phone, all authenticated via the Aadhaar API. And that's it. With Karya, we also propose to use India Stack for authentication, Aadhaar APIs, and UPI. Our goal with Karya is very simple, making dignified digital work accessible to everyone. And I hope you would support us in our mission. Thank you and have a nice day.